Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni back again. Just close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. Just try to relax. And let go of anything that you're carrying that you don't need right now. And just allow peaceful energy to come into your aura, into your spirit, into your body at this time. Just allow a beautiful golden light to come in. And just see it and allow it to surround you and envelop you and embrace you. And start to feel the love all around you. See yourself in this golden, healing, loving light. And rest there. We're going to imagine that we're getting ready to go to bed now. And we're going to call upon our dream angels to join us. Beautiful, angelic beings of light. They're going to help us to make our dreams come true. So just get ready to allow them into your presence. Start to see a beautiful orb of light as the dream angels step forward. And they ask you to allow them to bring messages for you. And the first message is one about astral travel. And they want you to know that every night we travel, we go to the dream world, we go to the soul world, and we connect with other beautiful, loving souls, those from our past and those from our present, even those from our future. And we connect with them energetically and on a soul level in this dream world and soul world. Sometimes we remember these dreams consciously, but our soul remembers all the dreams we have. And these dreams are messages to us. It's a training ground for us to help us to grow, play out scenarios in our mind, and to learn. And let us open up to the messages that we receive while we sleep, while we rest. Let us be open to traveling to this dream world and soul world. Allow this beautiful voyage to take place, to know that it's safe, and that it's for our own good, for our own well-being. And that really is our true home. We come from the soul world to this earth world. We come here in physical form to live, to grow, and to experience being a spiritual being inside a physical body. To have a spiritual life inside of a physical body. And just let all that guidance and messages and every remembering to come in and just make peace with it, that you are a spiritual being. You are primarily a beautiful soul made of love and light, and you are eternal. And we travel to our home every night. here in human form temporarily to experience things and to grow from them, to practice our love and light here, to be the presence of love and light here, to build our love and light, to unite us all. So let us give gratitude for all that we are and know that we are safe, that we are eternal, we are love and light, and dreams can come true and they do come true. Anything is possible when we believe and we have faith and we let our inner love and light shine. And just breathe in that energy, that vital force, energy all around us. These beautiful messages. Start to realize all the information that we learn every night on a soul level. And understand that you travel every night. We are all soul travelers. The next message they have for us is one about the color orange. And these dream angels offer us a beautiful healing orange light that they wish to embrace us in around our sacral area, just below our belly button. So just embrace yourself in it, this healing orange light, healing orange energy. And let it build your creative center, your creative abilities, your creative gifts. Understand that you can create anything you wish, anything at all. You have endless supplies of gifts within you and endless creative abilities. Let them come through. Use your gifts, your unique gifts, and make something with them. Bring them into this 3D world. That is why we are here. To bring our gifts here, to share our gifts, to build on them. We all have our own, and we are here to share them. So just feel that presence of that orange healing light around you as your creativity grows. And start to become aware of ideas that come to you, impressions, inspirations, rockets of desire, and just follow them, trusting in your own abilities. God bless you. He's blessed us all. And then they bring us a message about the plant hawthorn, a message about balance. And they remind us that we are connected with the elements, with nature, with the elemental kingdom. And just like they have balance, we can have that same balance once we open up to that energy around us and within us. We are all connected. We are all one. So just find that balance within yourself and send that balance out to others. That peace and calmness, serenity. Breathe it into your spirit, filling yourself up with it. And sending it out to everyone else, to nature, to Mother Earth. And at this time, we're going to thank our dream angels for coming with these beautiful messages, for joining us. We're going to remember that dreams can come true. We can make them come true. And slowly come back, transition, building, and taking all that energy, packed it into your physical body, coming back to where you started, remembering you are a soul, a beautiful soul.